The Three Monkeys Theory by the professor and philosopher Gerai Santana Day. Maybe you have seen some figures that represent the three monkeys, one deaf, one blind and a dumb one. The first time I meet these figures, they were disposed in column. In the top was the blind monkey, in the middle the dumb, and in the bottom the deaf monkey. I thought about this combination and arrived to the conclusion that the communication was not possible. The blind monkey in the top has the best perspective. If he is blind, the entire group becomes blind. The dumb monkey is in the middle, can hear from the top but cannot say anything to the deaf monkey in the bottom, whatever cannot hear. So if we put the monkeys in the way, the communication is not possible between the monkeys and the surroundings and between the monkeys. There are different ways of putting the monkeys, but all of them except one don't allow communication. The correct combination is this. In the top must be the deaf monkey that sees and tells to the middle monkey whatever he sees. In the middle, the blind monkey that hears from the top and talks to the bottom. And in the bottom, the dumb monkey that hears from the middle and sees. If you put the monkeys this way, the communication is possible. And they can arrive and solve problems that they couldn't if they are alone or in a bad hierarchy. Each monkey has two different virtues and one defect. But if you put the monkeys the correct way, they can work as one unity, with no defects. This is an example of unity in diversity. Another similar parabole can be found in the case of the sheep, the dogs and the shepherd. In this case, the shepherd is in the top. He sees and tells to the dog whatever he sees. His virtue is perspective of future. In the middle is the dog that hears from the top. His virtue is strength. He speaks the sheep that are in the bottom of the hierarchy. They hear from the dog and they see and in silence obey. The problems came when the sheep don't want shepherds or the wolf occupy the power. In our society there are a lot of blinds in the position they must not be in the top. They don't have perspective of future, or worse than when the top positions are occupied by dumb monkeys that see perfectly but they are used to make silence because they own interests and to protect the corrupt position. If we put the monkeys the correct position, we found a bonding state where communication is possible and all the monkeys can work as an unity and solve problems and arrive places where they couldn't if they are alone, like tradition puts them, or if they are in an anti-bonding states, or what is the same, corrupt states.